Hello and welcome to a day in the life of a girl who lives on a farm and loves animals. If you're an animal lover just like me, then you're in the right spot. I plan to create videos for you all to find peace and love in your day. This is the first of many videos to come, and I plan to just kind of give you an introduction of my life here. So check it out and see if you're interested. This is my boy Jax. He's my #1 sidekick. And these are my sweet nephews. The most loving and kind partner I could ever ask for. Out here on the farm, there's always something to do. That's me, an animal lover and an artist. This is Nala. She thinks she's the queen of the cat world, but we have many cats. My family moved out here to this farm when I was only around 11 years old. And we love our slow living out here. I've moved away and came back because I love the peace that it brings. My mom takes care of a bunch of horses, but when she's out of town, I'm the one who cares for them. I love the peace and serenity that they bring to our hearts. They're such calming, large animals. My mom's a real horsewoman who loves everything to do with horses. The horses get pasture grass as well as hay twice a day. They're pretty well taken care of. So feel free to subscribe since I'll be putting out more farm life content as well as animals and travel. I'm here to bring peace and love to your heart and be a light in your day. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.